Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, the Chevette Collector. Today I'm going to show you how to identify which axle ratio you have on your 76 to 87 Chevy Chevette. We're going to start with the 76 first. Easiest thing to do on either car, as far as I'm concerned, is to jack it up, get under it. On the passenger side axle tube, on the front of it, once you scrape away the dirt, grease, and grime, you're going to have codes and numbers. This one says QD, that corresponds to a 411. If it would have said QE, it would have been a 370. All right. The newer cars, underneath the trunk cover, what covers the spare tire, you're going to see GV4. GV4 corresponds to a 336 gear ratio. If it said, what's the other one? G75? G75 would have been a 362, which is the optional ratio, but I've never seen a car with one of those. That's a pretty rare option. All right, also, get the light. Here's the axle codes for the 80, this is for the 87 model, but they're all pretty much all the same, 82 and up. You're either going to have a 336 or 362. Those are the axle codes, 4TA, 4TB. There you go. As you know, Chevettes all have a 6.5 inch differential. Now let's get under this one. This is an 84. And can you see that? That's a 4TA, right? Mm-hmm. All right, so 4TA, we're going to come over here to the book. That corresponds to 336. And this is an original 5-speed car. That's the one that I'm making V6. And we have Luigi, which is a 76 with a, this one's 4-cylinder turbo 200 car. Most 4-cylinder turbo 200 cars, you're going to have 411s. 76, 77. 78, you're going to have 370s. Most later model cars have 370s up to 82 when they went to the 336s and the 362 optional gear ratio. All right, so now hopefully it helped you out. I had a lot of people ask me about gear ratios. You can actually just swap rears from the older ones to the newer ones and vice versa. If you want to go on the highway, 336 is a perfect gear. You can cruise at 65, 70, no problem. 370 and 411s, you're going to be, revving. You're probably going to be like 3,600, maybe 4,000 RPMs on the highway, which is not very good for the engine, and it's not very good for fuel mileage. All right, you have any questions, check me out. Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, the Chevette Collector. Thanks, bye.